If you're facing login problems on Shopify, it's crucial to address them promptly to ensure smooth store management. Here's a guide to troubleshoot and fix login issues. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection before attempting to log in. Verify Shopify URL. Confirm that you are using the correct and official Shopify login URL. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser cache and cookies to eliminate any potential stored login issues. Try incognito or private browsing. Attempt to log in using an incognito or private browsing window to rule out browser-related problems. Reset password. If you've forgotten your password or suspect it might be the issue, use the Forgot or Reset Password option on the login page to create a new one. Check email for notifications. Look for any email notifications from Shopify regarding your account, such as security alerts or password resets. Browser compatibility. Ensure your browser is up to date and compatible with Shopify. Consider trying an alternative browser. Contact Shopify support. If the issue persists, reach out to Shopify's customer support for assistance. Provide details about the problem and they can help investigate and resolve the login problems.